In the previous section, we saw how we can create a chart of account and the payment method and configuring analytical accounting and fixed asset. This is section number 6. Going further with Odoo 11. In this section, we will cover the following points: point of sale overview, project management overview, website builder and e-commerce overview, manufacturing overview, marketing campaigns overview, and human resources overview. And we will see the extra features overview in Odoo Enterprise. Point of sale overview. In this video, we will see main features of point of sale, like selling products, making a discount, different payment methods, take money out and put money in, and we will see another module for restaurant management. Let's go to our system. First of all, you have to make sure that you installed point of sale module. This module, I installed it already. Then I will move to point of sale. I have dashboard, so I will open new session for the point of sale called the main. The system will forward me to front screen or front end. So I can use it for sales, like we have category. I can move to this category, choose our product, or I can scan for the barcode. I can save it. I can make a discount like that, like 5%. I can make global discount. Then I can make payment. I can choose which payment method I will use, like cash, then validate. Then I can print the receipt. Then I can move to make another order like that. I can change the price of this product. I can change the quantity to be 2. Then I can use another payment method, bank. Then I can validate. After ending the session and the day, you can close your session. You can click on close. You can click on validate and close. Now we can make another session for restaurant management. It will give us a different view. So I have floors and I have tables. I can go to this table and choose our needed food. I can make transfer to another table. I can just write notes. We can split the payment. I can just make the second transaction for the payment. We can validate it like that. So it will easy to manage that. You can determine how many person this table will cover. Like this table can used by 4 persons. I can make this table to be used by 3 persons only. I can handle the shape of this table. Then we can close it. We can close our session like that. Now we will see how we can handle cash control. I will go to cash control, check this checkbox, save it, and we can make open new session, open session, continue selling. We can continue selling like that, then make a payment, next order. We can go to the back end, we can just see in progress sessions. We can put money in, like for example change, and I will add $10. I can put money in the same way for take money out, and we can continue selling or ending the session. The system will give me the difference to set closing balance, and after adding closing balance you can just click validate and post entries.